So you are welcome to Bamidele AI channel. So on today's video, we'll be teaching you how to generate or make AI video, AI realistic video. So number one, what you need is a good prompt. We should be getting prompt from ChatGPT, and we'll be getting making our video from Google View DeepMind. This is it there. Google View DeepMind. There are a lot of DeepMind there, so you have to come with this to this one VO, right? DeepMind.google model. Then you come here. So when you come here, you see try Flow and try Gemini. If you are a fresh person that just visited this site, try Flow, please. Because if you click on try Gemini, it will take you to Gemini AI. So click try Flow. And when you try Flow, please create with Flow. For new members, they will tell you to log in, use your Gmail to log in. Then you click on the two boxes for you to create the terms and condition. Now, because me, I have been logging in, you understand, and I know all this particular process. So now these are the project that I've done, right? These are the project that I've done so far, right? With my with my Google video. Now this you see that I'm using Pro here. You can see R Pro. So I'm using the Pro version. Like I've gotten 1000 AI credits, so it remains 720. You understand? I've used it to 720. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to get a 1000 AI credits step by step. And automatically, when you get AI credits, your Gemini will turn to Pro. And somebody will be asking, what's the benefit of Gemini Pro? You won't be you won't have limit on how many images to generate. And the problem of you saying that the image of the person does not look like what I posted or the image I uploaded, it's probably able to solve that. So number one is for us to create our our project. Let's click on create, right? When we click on create, then we come to ChatGPT. What did I want to advertise? So one, let me first, before I go to get prompt, let me explain the flow very well so that you will not waste your credit, because new members that first register we always have 100 AI credits, and here there's text to video, there's frame to video, there's ingredient to video. You see this text to video, immediately you paste your prompt, AI will be the one to generate the image you use, the shop and everything. If you're a carpenter, you're a barber, irrespective of your work vocation, right? It is AI that will generate. If you specify that Nigerian, to generate a Nigerian shop for you. So if it's for you, and this costs 10 AI credits, right? You know, for new person that just visited the site, you have 100 AI credits every month. The moment you exhaust the 100 AI credits, you have to wait for another month to get another one. So here we have frame to video, where you be with this particular plus sign will enable you to put any of your picture, you understand, to generate video. These are the pictures that I've generated so far. These are the pictures. These are the pictures that I've put there to advertise for people, you understand. So you just click here and upload any picture that you want. You come in, you upload any picture that you want, then you generate. We are still going to use the picture of that woman that is selling shoe, right? But you see this one, this frame ingredient to video. Ingredient to video, you upload picture, right? You upload prompt, but it will not talk. But AI will help you to generate the video using your image, but you have to go and do a voice over the video. Then quick one, take this importantly, take this and note this. The moment you visit the page, right, the first thing to first change is to come to these settings. Now output per prompt. Now when you put your prompt output here, automatically when you first visit the page, it will bring 4. So change it to 1, because if you leave it in that 4, the moment you upload your prompt and you click generate, it will bring 4 different scenes for you, and it is still the same thing, 4 different scenes. And one scene, if it is text to video, it is 10 AI. That means you wasted 40 AI credits. And if it is frame to video, that is 20 AI credits. That means you wasted 80 AI credits. So for you to minimize your AI credits, then you have to first set this particular place. That is the most priority. Set this and into 1, right? And landscape we pick if it is for YouTube, or for maybe you just want to make it, you can change it from portraits to landscape, but I'm using landscape because of YouTube video. Now I want to do frame to video so that we can see But before I do frame to video, let me generate maybe somebody that is selling shoe, right? Kindly generate a prompt for a lady selling shoe in Ray Consulting Shoe Firm using the image I will be providing. Now generate the image without generate the prompt, sorry, generate the prompt without asking for the image, right? Let there be great resemblance without distortion. For people who are asking what's the meaning of great resemblance without distortion, watch our video about image generation, you will understand better. So without distortion, let her advertise Ray calls, Ray Consulting Show, right? Ray Consulting Show. I just fabricated the name, right? So create a prompt. So this is the prompt. So, but one thing that I forgot to add is the kind of video that I want to make. I didn't tell ChatGPT that I want to make video for Google Video. So it will help me to tailor it because I can make video for Croc, I can make video for maybe DID, make video for aging or something like that. So video is for Google video. So the video could be for Sora, the video could be for anything. So I have to specify. So this is it. So it has helped me to draft Ray Consulting. If you watch our former video, you see that we've been doing flyer for Ray Consulting. You understand? So we just use that particular history that he has to generate my phone number and everything. So now I'm going to deep mine. I'm using frame to video. So I want to use somebody now. I want to use the lady that we used to generate our crop video. If you want to see our crop video, the lady we used to model the show in crop video, watch our last video that way. Watch our video about how to model your brand is there. So we've used her picture now, so she'll be our model now, right? But the perfect thing now is, let me now teach us one thing now. If I want her to like be selling shoe, right? If I want her to be like model my product to sell shoe, I won't put her in that background because if I open this particular advert now, the first page that they will show her is that background. So the first thing I will first do is go to Google Gemini AI now. Now I will now tell Google Gemini AI to help me change now it's loading. I will tell Google Gemini AI to put her in a shop where they are selling shoes, expensive shoes. So if the open advert want to start on now, it will be in that shop. It won't be on that particular plain background. I'm looking for the okay. This is the flyer. This is the image. So I want to be sure it's loading. Okay, this is the image where she's putting on shoe. So I'll tell kindly put this woman in a big shop where she sells Men, canvas, and adorable shoes of all kinds. So let's put it, enter. Now you will see her location will change from this particular background to a place where she's selling shoe. So one thing that, see, can we see this? This is where she's selling shoe. So if open camera open like this, so we know that okay, this advert is real and mature, not that I like the plain background, because if the camera open on the advert, it will be on this particular picture on this plain background, so it look unprofessional. So let me specify, make it landscape 16.9, right, 16.9, right, and let the office, let the shop be customized, okay, customized with Ray Consulting shoe, right, good, update. So let's add this. So can we see this? Ray Consulting show up, right? Can we see this now? Can we see this? So I can save this, then I will go back to my image generation. I will go back to my image generation, right? That is my flow. Then I go back to my flow and upload that particular picture now. The picture that we just generated now, I can upload it because it's inside the shop. You understand? It's inside the shop now. So good. So I can now use it. Then I can now go, can we see it now? Good. And each video is 7 seconds. Each video is 7 seconds. So you have to like be cutting join, be cutting join, be cutting join using any of the editing means that you know. So maybe in our next video, I will teach you how to like cut and join, cut and join, cut and join. But this, let it load. Immediately it load, you will see the beauty of this particular video. So it's on 16%. Now, one thing about this is the moment it got to a 100%, it will show us our video. But there are sometimes if you use a BB, right, in the video, it will tell you that it is against the policy. It can read up to 30%. Then when you read to 30%, it will tell you that fail. And there are sometimes that it won't even read up to 30%, right? Then you see failed. You can keep trying. It could be because of your network. And one good thing about Google video is when you keep on trying, when you keep on trying, when you keep on trying, right, and saying fail, it will be deducting your credits, not like other sites for downloading or for AI generated image that immediately they sell fail. When you check your AI credit, you see that your AI credit has gone. But Google video is not like that. See, it is not even up to 100, it got to 80 something and it's generated our video. Our video is ready to be played. Now can we see this? This is the video. Can we see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Now I will show us one thing you have to notice, right? Now, good. Can you see the screen now? If you are looking at the screen now, you see that the display there is very, very wrong. Great consulting shoe firm. Work with confidence. Now, one bad thing about Google Video is about writing. So anytime you are creating your prompt, always tell it that no theme display or no screen display or no text overlay. So if you want to write anything, always use maybe your CapCut or your editing tools to write anything on your video. Never allow Google video to write anything for you. It will be total rubbish. I think they are still upgrading it, but the app, this particular AI video making is still one of the best for now. So if you like this particular video, kindly comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.